Here's the truth about software training. Most of it doesn't work. Employees sit through slide decks, watch screen recordings, and then fail when it's time to actually use the system. There's a better way with Assima Train. Traditional training teaches about software, not how to use it. It's passive, outdated, and the moment your system updates, everything breaks. Screenshots, videos, manuals, all of it needs to be rebuilt from scratch. Assima changes the game. Instead of watching, your team practices on a hyper-realistic simulation of your actual application. They learn by doing, and what they do, they remember. In fact, simulation training delivers up to 4 times higher retention than traditional methods. When people practice real workflows, the learning sticks. Here's where it really matters. With traditional training, mistakes happen in the live system. Bad data, broken processes, and lost productivity. With Assima, learners fail safely. They click, make mistakes, and retry, without ever touching live production. The result? Employees who are ready on day one. Fewer support tickets, faster onboarding, real confidence. Now let's talk about what happens when your software changes. Traditional training? Total chaos. Every update means hours, sometimes weeks, of rework. But Assima simulation training eliminates the rework. Capture your workflows once, regenerate training instantly as your system evolves, and automatically translate it for global teams. It's infinitely more scalable, especially for enterprises managing multiple applications and languages. Security matters too. Traditional training often exposes real customer data during demos or practice sessions. Assima uses 100% synthetic data, so your training is always compliant, always secure. And let's be honest, people don't stay engaged with slide decks. But when they're actually performing tasks, step by step, inside an interactive simulation, attention stays high, learning goes deep. The difference is simple. Traditional training builds knowledge. Assima builds skill. And in the real world, skill wins. Every time. If you're ready for faster onboarding, fewer errors, and training that actually scales with your business, Assima is your partner. See it in action. Book a demo today.